Okay. Hello, good morning, everyone. This is here is Cinotop Electronics. I'm Aki Wei. I'm now in our booth hall 13 E155, and here I want to introduce our big size touchscreen metal mesh technology. And here you can see that this one is the 75 inch, and here's the there's the many mesh here, and here's the flexible cable. And if you here's the how to say I'm sorry. Um, you can see there's many mesh here. Also, I want to show you how the touchscreen will be used on the interactive whiteboard. And this one is our maximum size, 86 inch. And you can see that you can be use your finger to touch, and this one you can get 10 touch points. So Metal Mesh is quite good at high accuracy and quick response. And if you need to know more information about our product, please go to search our website www.chinacts.com.cn. Thank you.